Good afternoon to you. The Mina Maria Learning Center, setting kindergarten moving up suddenly, batch 24 and 25 is now declared open.
So now, parents, you and I are very sure your child is ready to go to grade 1. To our parents, thank you for entrusting your children with us. With your constant support, they can overcome all challenges. And to end, their formative years are crucial, so we cannot settle for less attention in their growing years. At this point, let me thank the NMLC family, the sisters, the faculty and staff, and of course, you dear parents as stakeholders. You made this event a memorable one. Congratulations to our computers and to you parents and guardians. Thank you and good afternoon.
Guided our students with love and dedication. It's my honor to introduce Trump, Daniels, and Pino, who will deliver the thank you message for our teachers. Please join me in giving him a warm round of applause as he takes the stage.
Good afternoon, everyone. We, the Kinder 2 graduates, want to say thank you to our teachers, staff, and companions. Mary Our Lady Sisters who help us learn and grow. You taught us not only academics, but also life skills, values, and character. You made learning fun. As we move up to the next level, we'll always remember the fun times we had in our class. So to all teachers, staff, and companions, Mary Our Lady Sisters, happy thank you.
Thank you, Choro, for that heartfelt message. For our teachers, your words
Curriculum. I now confirm you kindergarten completers of Nina Maria Learning Center for the school year 2024-2025. You may now transfer your tassel. My congratulations to you and the parents.
Independent Learner, Budding Scientist, Public Speaker, and Kinder Leader Award. Shannon Gray Figueroa, Independent Learner, Task